Hi Rachel, this is Maloney. This is my review of your LMS. One thing that I thought that worked really well was the frog dissection page thingy here. I really liked the language that they used. For example, they would say the exterior or the outside of the frog. And as a teacher going into ESL, like if a student did not know what the word exterior meant, they would have gotten really confused. But the fact that the program here decided to go a step further and also supplement another word for exterior, aka outside, really I would say gave them brownie points. I also really liked how you had students go to a different place to learn. Not only that, but that at your new place to learn, students weren't forced to log into a new thing, which could be complicating for some students, although they are ninth graders. So I'm hoping that they would be a little bit more technologically good or smart. Another thing that I liked about your virtual frog dissection is that it was very easy to navigate. For instance, when they would get done with talking, they would see a blinking red light here. So that just is very visually appealing for me, because had I not known, I would just be staring at this and wonder what it is that they want me to do. So I really liked that. Something to clarify for me is, so on this page we have the submit assignment here. Click that. So I'm unsure why this is here. Is this here because it automatically comes up whenever you create something like this, or are students supposed to submit something? If they are, I would ask you to clarify it, because you do only ask the students to review the introduction. And then another thing was when I get to this, because when you get to practice section 1, you have to click onto science. So my assumption is that you have already given students direction on what to do and what to click when they get to Schoolology. And so they go ahead and click the science, and when they do that, they immediately see effects of human behavior plus quiz. As a student, I would have freaked out, like, especially because I'm not so good at science. I would have been like, quiz? Like, we have a quiz to do? And so I would have been kind of confused. But if I was to know to only do the frog dissection, then it wouldn't have been as confusing. But just seeing the word quiz here makes me kind of start sweating, because I didn't know there would be a quiz kind of thing. But other than that, that is my review. Good job overall. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.